Alaska Pacific University is a great place to do the marine and environmental sciences. We're a broad undergraduate science program in the sense that we do physics and we do chemistry and we do biology, and that gives you your sort of foundational sciences. But we're also working in geology and glacial science, and we have a scientific diving program, and we have an aquarium biology program. We have remote sensing, and so there's a lot of things going on that bring our students into direct contact with Alaska.
FAST-Lab stands for Fisheries, Aquatic Science, and Technology Laboratory. When I created the FAST-Lab, one of the things that really was important to me was being able to plug in and support the state of Alaska. So almost all of our projects are directly related to questions and issues that state biologists have, federal agencies as well. One of the things that makes this program unique is the exposure to real applied research projects. That means that they're going to dig deeper into these different questions, and they're going to do so with support and advice from the scientists that actively work on these different issues as a professional job. So the students get direct exposure to what is currently happening in the real world in agencies they could very well go work for.
We're up here in Alaska, but that's not some remote place on the edge of the North Pacific. This is a centrally located part of the marine world. And Alaska coastlines touch on the Arctic Ocean, they touch on the North Pacific, touch on the Bering Sea, and that kind of puts us at the center of a lot of global processes that are really important in the marine world.
Our field is becoming more diverse. These questions are so big and complex. The solutions are really the result of teamwork. Folks that live on these lands and see these processes on a daily basis will always bring more insight and incredible perspective. When we interface with tribal communities that are, say, dependent on fisheries, we're accessing a massive body of knowledge. And so students here are going to learn how to listen and learn how to value and respect that insight, which is really the foundation of almost any good scientific investigation. I think one of the things that differentiates a degree from APU is both the intimate small class size, the one-on-one connection with students, and the connection we have to environment and opportunity. For students that want to get engaged in this real-world research, the opportunities are there. They just got to show up.
We're marine here. Get your feet in the water, get salty, get a little fishy, and let's get going.